Hello, I'm Brad Holman, Chief Operations Officer for Hydronov LLC. Hydronov is an American-based design-build contractor specializing in greenhouses for baby leaf, head lettuce, and strawberries. We work with the client through site selection, pre-construction services, construction of the greenhouses, selecting technologies, installing equipment, all the way from seeding, harvesting, through packaging, and we even work with clients to sell their produce. As this industry has grown, we have moved from proof of concept with small projects into large commercial scale facilities that require automated machinery to be able to reduce labor costs and have consistent product outgo. We have turned to companies like PROEX Food that have experience in vegetable processing around the world to be able to provide us the automation and quality of equipment that allows for easy wash down and maintenance of their equipment. In the past, Hydronov has worked with some manufacturers of equipment that were designing equipment that was too small or not really built well for the food safety. The cleanliness was difficult, but also maintaining the equipment on a daily basis was a challenge, and we didn't have support from the manufacturer to make adjustments that we wanted. When we were looking for a commercial scale food processing supplier, we found PROEX equipment that they had been making vegetable processing lines for companies around the world. We talked to them and then had them come out to one of our facilities to look and see what we do on a regular basis. And they were able to give us ideas and make improvements from our current processes and tell us how they could expand our production, as well as improve the daily cleanliness and maintenance issues that we were having. PROEX was able to see our needs and work with us through this design and be able to provide us with a piece of equipment that solves all of our needs. We have worked with multiple people from PROEX through the sales, engineering, and manufacturing portion of their facilities. We've been pleased with each person we've dealt with, the communication, our weekly meetings, everything's went very smooth, and I would highly recommend working with PROEX through this equipment. PROEX has been able to solve many of our issues with daily cleaning. It feels very solid. They have a substantial frame with pipe construction that cleans easily. They've manufactured this with many of the same parts, so we can have a limited number of spares. Maintenance is easy. Everything's easily accessible. The electrical controls are easy to understand, and I highly recommend you work with PROEX on your next project. When we look at this type of equipment and understand that our clients have to work on this and wash this equipment every day, the motors that are wash down rated, stainless steel, bearings with caps on them, simple things all the way through the design for keeping it easy to maintain, limiting the number of spares, and giving us a complete spares list to be able to turn to the client and allow them to have the parts needed on hand for maintenance when necessary.